Due to recent lockdowns and quarantines, millions of people around the world are suddenly unemployed, stuck at home, and need to quickly find ways to make money online working from home. Working online from home can be a great way for you to bring in some income when you're not able to do what you normally do for work. If you have a good computer and an internet connection, there are many things you can do to create some income while you're waiting for life to return to normal. Considering we're face to face with a total economic collapse, it could end up taking much longer than you might think to return to normal, so you need to be proactive. Here are some ways to make money online working from home. 1. Freelancing. The fastest way to make money online is to provide services for others. This allows you to work with people from all over the world without ever having to leave your house. This can easily be accomplished from home by utilizing websites such as Fiverr or Upwork. In fact, just browsing current listings on those sites can be a great way to come up with ideas for services that you might have never thought of yourself. Put together a list of ideas for services that you could provide to others, and narrow it down from there. Try to start with services that are already in demand but aren't already oversaturated with competition. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. When you first start out offering services, you should emulate what's already working in the marketplace, but you also want to make your offers unique. The best way to do that is to figure out A. How you can improve upon what others are doing, and B. How you can add additional value for your clients. Doing that will set you apart from the crowd. Some common services that people provide when they first start working online include writing. This is something that just about anyone can do. There is no shortage of people who need writers to create articles, web content, and other content for their businesses. Start by specializing in topics that you're interested in or know a lot about. Researching. Doing research is another service that just about anybody can do. Outsourcing the research for projects can be a big time saver for businesses, so they're willing to pay others to do it. Plus, if you're providing writing services, then offering research can be a great add-on service that you can charge extra for. Digital assistant. This is just what it sounds like. People who run online businesses always have busy work that they need to outsource. This could be anything from data entry to product testing, or anything in between. This can be a great gig for you if you're flexible and a quick learner. 2. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is really just fancy talk for promoting someone else's products. Most retailers have an affiliate program online that you can sign up for, and earn money for recommending their products. The easiest way to start out is by reviewing and recommending things that you personally use already. In exchange, you get commissions for products people purchase through your affiliate link. 3. Teaching. What are your skills, or hidden talents? Consider knowledge you have that is in high demand, or things you can do that not many other people can. For example, if you're skilled at something like a musical instrument, woodworking, gardening, cooking, sewing, crochet, or any other skill people want to learn, then you can make money teaching others how to do it. Sites like Udemy and Skillshare, as well as many others, make it easy to set up your own online courses for sale. 4. Make physical items. You can also use your skills to make items at home that you can sell on sites like Etsy or eBay. Art, crafts, and woodworking projects are all examples of things you can sell online if there's demand for what you can make. Selling physical items can also be a great way to further monetize teaching online. For instance, there are a lot of YouTube creators that make videos showing how they make or build something, and then put that item up for sale on their website, eBay, or Etsy. Start making money online now. Knowing how to generate income by working online can help you get through difficult times, or when it's not possible to work outside your home. However, most people don't start making money online right away. Also, keep in mind that you may need to have multiple streams of income, especially when you're first getting started, in order to meet your needs by working from home. That's why you need to take action ASAP. That way, you can have time to get your home-based business going before you need to fully depend on it. Thanks for watching. Share in the comments below some other ways to make money online. Also, be sure to share this video with your friends, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and click that notifications bell icon. See you on the next frontier.